In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to overlay images and text in Canva videos. If you're ready to enhance your projects by combining visuals and text in a powerful way, then you've come to the right place. Let's get started on this creative journey together. First off, head over to Canva. If you're not already familiar with Canva, it's a versatile design tool that allows you to create stunning visuals effortlessly. Once you're on Canva's homepage, you'll want to click on Continue to proceed and get things set up. By now, you might be prompted to choose a Google account to log in, especially if it's your first time or if you're working across different devices. So select your Google account and click on Continue to access your account. Now that you're logged in, open the project you would like to work on. Whether it's a new one or an ongoing project, getting the right project open is essential to bringing your creative ideas to life. With your project open, you'll want to familiarize yourself with the Canva interface again by navigating to the Elements panel on the left. This is your gateway to a wide range of icons, shapes, and illustrations. Explore the elements available and find one that suits your project or upload your own image that you wish to use as an overlay. Once you've selected or uploaded an image, adjust it according to your desired size and position on the canvas. This will be crucial in making sure your overlay looks polished and professional. Next, let's focus on adding some text to your project. Click on the Text option from the side menu. From here, you'll notice options to add different types of text. For now, click on Add a little bit of body text to incorporate a textual element into your design. Type out your desired message, keeping in mind the tone and style you want to convey. Ensure the text is clear and complements the rest of your design. Once your text is on the canvas, you can adjust its size, font, and color to make sure it stands out over your images. Take some time to experiment with different looks until you find the one that perfectly fits your aesthetic and message. Remember, the key to great design is balance, so make sure your text and images work together harmoniously. Finally, take a moment to review your work by clicking on the play button to preview your video. This is your chance to see how everything flows and make any necessary adjustments before finalizing your design. And there you have it. You're now equipped to overlay images and text in Canva videos, creating designs that are not only visually appealing but also convey your message effectively. Keep practicing and your creativity will only continue to grow. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy designing!